Hey guys, I'm back with some more White Noise. I'm ready. Hey, what's up, y'all? Yo, dog, where them bitches at? Where them bitches at? Where's James? James is leading. James, you're leading. Come on, cause you're recording. Who am I following? The guy or the girl? I'm following Elvis, y'all. We should, Nope. There should be one there. Oh, here. Hey, don't get it, Danny. Fuck. What is this place? What the Danny, don't get it. Dude, what type of place is this? Go right. Take a right. Take a right. James, what's the corners, dude? I'm serious. Nope. That little bitch is not right there. Fuck you. Why knows? Oh, he's coming here. He heard me. Come on, bitch. Ah! Nope, nope, he's not there. Yes. Fucking bitch. That's right. Oh, don't turn. Don't turn. Do not turn. Just go straight. Just go straight. Trust me. Just go straight. Just go. It's a flying penis. Okay, go. James, watch the sharp corners. Watch the... Oh my god. Yeah. James, watch the corner. Oh, go straight. Go straight. Ah! Fuck. Ah, the little bitches. Yeah. I ain't even scared, dog. Don't turn! James, don't turn! Okay, we're good. Yeah. James, he's gonna pop up. Watch the corners, dude, I'm telling you. Oh my, James, go! Go, don't be a little bitch. There's 2 corners we have to turn. Come on, why not? Let's go straight, yeah. He's not there. Oh, he's right behind us. Don't turn. Do not turn. Danny, are you right behind us? Don't turn. This is where I got scared. This is the exact same spot. Keep on going straight. Just keep on going straight. Oh, fuck. He's not there. Yes. James, just go straight. Don't make sure you don't take any, and don't look at anything. Don't. Take a right, James. Take a right, James. Take a right. It's safe. It's safe. Right. Right here. Look. Kid, I'm looking at it. There's nothing here. Fuck. Jet. Go. Shit. 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 James, slow down. Stop. 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 I'm not even gonna turn, dude. James. Yeah, yeah, bitch. Fuck, 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 fuck. Just go straight. Yeah, fuck. Oh man, I got a bad feeling. I got a bad feeling about this. My light is out, dude. Take a right, but take a right. But watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh fuck, you wanna go straight? Oh fuck, nah James. Fuck, fuck, fuck. He's not here. Ah, it scared me! Stop the rig though! Yeah, go straight. Go straight, nigga. Dude, he's literally right next to it. Don't fucking turn. Ah, fuck. Fuck, pick away, stop swerving. Left. Ah, no, we're gonna turn. Yes, he's not there. Yes. Fuck, dude, it's just a matter of time before he fucking gets us, dude. I'm just waiting. Oh, fuck. Oh. My light is out, kid. Just kill me, white noise. Oh shit! Oh shit! Turn! Oh shit! He's behind us! James! He popped up twice! He popped up twice in a row! Dude, what the Dude, he almost took me! Dude, twice! Dude, Dude, he took us twice, dude! That fucker cornered us, fuck! Dude, he teleported fast. Oh, hell no, he didn't. Yeah. Swag, dude! Dude, he popped up twice. So it was pretty funny. No, take a right. We're good. Watch the corner. Oh no, it's a trap corner. Fuck. We're trapped. Turn around. Just turn around slowly. Dude, I want him to pop up already. Pop up. Come on, Wino. Go straight. Fuck. This is not good, James. This is not fucking good. Oh my god, we're gonna go to 3. Just press it. Hey, we're gonna take a left. We're gonna take a left after you get it, James. Take a left. Okay, we're good. He's not. Go straight. Oh, fuck. Which way? Left or right? Left. I hear. Yeah, go straight. Dude, I can't believe he came from... Oh my god, what is this music, James? Oh, fuck. Cuatro tape recorders. That's right, dogs. 4. Hey, James, we should sprint so he could come out. He's right there. Don't fucking look, James. I know it. I hear him. This is where he scared me. Oh my god, dude. This is where he popped up on me, dude. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Fuck, dude. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. I know I stick to the corners. Darkness falls. Where is this little bitch at? I know, fuck. He's not there. Go take a left. Dude, if we get 5, the music's gonna go fucking church shit. It's gonna go to church crap. Ah, he's not there. What the fuck is that? No, don't look. Don't take a right. Don't take a right. Don't even look. Oh. Hey, James, we're gonna have to get past her. We might as well go. Because there might be a tape recorder there, dude. We're just gonna go in circles. Okay, take a left, Danny. Take a left, though. Take a left. Make sure that shit doesn't kill you. Okay, just keep on going straight. Keep on going straight. Keep on going straight. Oh, James, watch the corner. Oh, fuck, Daddy, you got me stuck. Oh, shit. What the hell is this? What place is this, dude? Oh my god, there's a big thing right there. What the fuck? Dude, that's like a human, like a animal statue. There should be a tape recorder. A tape recorder. Oh my god, dude. Well, James, where you at? I ain't leading, bitch. James, we got 4 ways to go. Okay, come on, come on. James, stop turning, kid. Make sure you look one way. He's gonna get us by surprise, dude. Yeah, but you don't turn all crazy. Just stick to one side. Swag. Swag! Come on, you fucking... Oh, it's a dead end. Fuck. Pop up, bitch! Dude, wait! Come on, pop up, dude! I just want him to pop up already, dude. He got that! Oh, my light's done. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my light's done. Dude, I'm done. Oh, fuck. My light's out. Fuck. Nah, dude, stop. Stay. We're men. We come out of here like men. Fuck you, white noise. You see, say fuck you, white noise. Fuck you. You will never catch me. Fuck you. Go straight. Just go straight. It might as well not turn. Don't turn. Don't fucking turn. Go, bitch. Go. I ain't leading, bitch. Go. Dude, well, pick a right way. Dude, this is getting kind of gay. Where is he at, dude? Come on. I'm already 14 minutes in. Take a right. Not there? Oh, shit. He seems pretty close now. He's like... He's not there, dude. Dude, we're just like waiting to get scared or what? Why noise? Can you please just like pop up? I want to get a good reaction here. Dude, then that's good. We only got scared like a little. This is where he trapped us, dude. Fuck. Ah, shit! Don't take a right. He popped up on me. Oh my god, dude. Fuck. Dude, he popped. Ah, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck. 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 Dude. Oh, damn, dude. Once again.